You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? An interesting name pronunciation. The name origin is from Russian and also Scandinavian. It also exists in Arabic. In Arabic it's pronounced as Nadja, Nadja. Now in Russian as well, Nadja, Nadja. So in English it's generally said as Nadja. Essentially replace the J with an I, a E sound, a short E sound. So it's not Nadja, Nadja. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.